I'm Lena and I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic. What do you think it is? Our topic is called rock layers. Well, rocks form in different layers. But how do they form those layers? Well, when wind blows the ice or maybe the sand and put them on top of each other as layers, when they join together, they make rocks. That is why rocks have different layers on them. Now, we can take a look at a picture of those rock layers. Here you can see these cliffs have different rock layers. And these layers have different colors. Well, when you're taking a boat trip, have you ever observed these things? They have different colors and they have different layers. And when we observe these things, we can learn a lot about these amazing rocks. So now we're going to do a small experience to know more about these rock layers. Now we're going to make a model. Now I'm going to use different things to make different rock layers. The first layer we use will be sand. Well, we will pour the sand in. And to make this thing more interesting, we will add fossils to it. Do you remember how fossils form? Well, when an animal dies and gets buried in the mud will get hard over time. And these mud, they will form different layers and then create fossils. This is a very important knowledge that you must remember. And then we're going to put the next layer on it. This is the sugar layer. We just put it in and make it smooth. Now we're going to add the next layer. This is the coffee ground. And to make it more interesting, we will add another fossil into this layer. We're going to put it in and then we're going to bury it beneath the coffee ground. We need to be careful about it or it might spill. And we have the next layer. This is the salt layer. And then now we will put the last layer into it. This is the final layer of our model. And we will put another fossil into it. This is like the soil. After we're done, you can see different layers in this model. And when you, for example, you got a fossils on top of the soil, then it is the newest one. But when you find a fossil at the last layer of the soil, then that is the oldest one, the oldest fossil in that area. But if you find two fossils at the same rock layers, that means they died about the same time. They live about the same time and they die about the same time. That is why their fossil is together in one rock layer. And the fossil in the top layer is the newest fossil. So you can know more about the age of these fossils by observe which layer of the rock it is on. It is very interesting, but these rocks layers, they need the right temperature, the right climate for this one to for the rocks layer to form. Well, that's all about my video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.